What's up, everybody? Viper FPV, and today it's August 20th, 2019. It is the day we pick for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. And what we're going to be doing is picking two winners. Unfortunately, we did not hit enough shares to pick a third winner, but better luck next time. I like to do giveaways like I was doing them every month, but I kind of cut that back. I was just getting too much doing that, so I'm kind of doing a little more sporadic giveaways throughout the year. But we'll have another giveaway probably real soon, especially if we hit 3,000 subscribers. I'll definitely do a giveaway for that. But let's go ahead and go over what the first place winner and the second place winner will be winning. And the pretty much guaranteed prize you're going to be winning here, if your name is called first, it's going to be for like some stickers. Looks like a Rush VTX. We've got a TBS Oblivion frame in here as well. We got this big giant Axie antenna from Lumineer. Also has a VTX remote control. Has four, what are these? The Banggood Wii motors, yep, 2207. And then we also have this quad box toolkit. It doesn't have any tools in it. And then also looks like some battery pad in here as well. So, and also one of my stickers as well. So that's going to be for who I pick. I draw the winner first, and then the second one will win the next box that I'll be sending out. We'll put that to the side. So this one has a little more stickers in it. I've got this Ethics sticker pack. Looks like a Cricket sticker pack. One of my stickers as well. And then a whole bunch of bags of props. Actually, you can't even see it. A whole bunch of bags of props in there. Like 10 or 15 packs or so. And I think one bag has like 4 or 5 sets of them in there. But that's who I want to be calling second to win. So what we're going to do is close this up here so it doesn't spill out everywhere. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the computer and let's pick two winners. Alright, so this is the channel right here. And we copied our URL, and we have, let's see how many comments we got. We've got 172 comments, so let's make sure we load those up in here. Alright, pasted that in there. Let's load the comments up. 172, that looks correct. So let's go ahead and pick a random winner. This is for the everything, for the main box. The Lazy Rocket, looks like you are the winner of the first box, the one with all like the frame and everything in it. Congratulations on 2K. So go ahead and email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and make arrangements to get this shipped out to you. We're gonna go ahead and pick another winner for the props. Armin FPV, warmest congratulations on your achievement. It looks like you are the winner of the prop box. So email me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com, and we'll go ahead and make arrangements to get that shipped out to you as well. All right, so that should do it for the giveaway. I picked the two winners. Like I said, contact me at viperfpvbusiness@gmail.com. And we'll make arrangements to get this thing shipped out to you. A little bit of update on the channel. Looks like I have the Tiny Hawk freestyle. That video should be posted this week, probably next couple days. I did post just now the FPV crates from Get FPV. That was just posted probably a couple hours ago. And yeah, so I am working on some other. I'm actually working on a budget build, doing a like sub $100 budget build. So that'll be coming to the channel real soon. Also do have the maiden flight on the 7-inch build that I did. Wish those dogs would stop barking and ruin my videos, but yeah, so everybody else, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for some future giveaways, some future content, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.